Hello, my name is Matt Knopf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane parts and propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in a Komatsu forklift kit. This is the BX series. Some call it kind of the turquoise kind of truck because it's got the blue, the turquoise, and the green colored series. This is the BX series. It covers the model numbers FG25, the FG30, and this is the ST-12. So we're going to go ahead and show you there's two different version kits. There's the KC kit, which is the kit complete, which will come with everything from your tank brackets all the way to your carburetor. The only thing you don't get is the propane tank itself. And we also carry the KP kit, which is a kit partial, which will include everything to replace and refreshen up an older system under the hood. So it's just under the hood replacing the carburation you have there. So we'll go ahead and show you what comes in them kits. Okay, now the kit we have up here is the KC, the complete kit. And that'll come with your tank brackets to hold your tank, your toggle clamps to latch your tank brackets, the locating pin, all your hardware for that. It'll come with your vapor hose to connect from your carburetor to your regulator, all your LPG high pressure hose, your vacuum hose, you'll get your water hose, you'll get your connections for your tank, the 7141F connection, along with your bulkhead that mounts to the counterweight. You'll get your complete regulator assembly with your lock off, all the hardware, the bracket to mount that. You'll get your pipe compound. You'll get all your fittings to tie in for your water, your fuel pump cover plate and gasket, along with your tie straps. Comes with the hose clamps, your hardware for mounting your bracket. The most crucial part about the kit is obviously the carburetor. Now this carburetor is set up for the H20 Roman numeral 2 or the H25 Nissan engine. All your linkage will be done. You have your bracket for your fast dash pod, your return spring. It'll come with another return spring on the back side. You get your offset adapter for the bottom, your two studs to mount your air cleaner to the top. That's the most important part about it. Now on the KP kit, the only thing that you won't get is you will not get your tank brackets, nor will you get your latches for the tank brackets or your hardware for that. You will not get your connection to your tank or your bulkhead. Basically, you'll get everything else just to replace and update the old system. So that's what comes with that kit there. Okay, that shows you what comes in the two style kits there on the TCM. Again, this covers the model numbers FG20, FG23, FG25, and the FG25N2. And again, this has the Nissan H20 engine in it. If you're interested in purchasing this kit from us, you can go to our website at pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. I hope this video helps. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.